Hey guys, it's Jeremiah with Teardown Systems, here to show you guys our cable covers. So our cable covers, again, is another product that we're bringing to the radio comms world here. And it just allows you to clean up your radio cables and everything and to make them a little neat, give them a little bit extra protection in a very prone wear area. And yeah, so here we'll show you installing them. It's super easy. You can get about 3 to 2 cables in there just fine. Basically just wraps around like that. And we will be selling these in 5, 8, and 10-inch variations. But with this, you can see our Disco 32 PTT with our cat antenna, and we just use this to kind of keep them together so they're not separating or anything like that on our kit, and it just cleans up the area. Again, just a nice little quality of life improvement on your kit. You can find it on teardownsystems.com. So we will initially be launching these in Coyote Brown to start, and then maybe some other colorways in the future. So you can find it on our website. Train hard, serve others, Teardown Systems.